World business analysts at last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are defective and unsteady. The world requirements a considerably more steady and dependable cash. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning maintainability and adaptability. Nonetheless, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. Over and over, the cross-breed agreement system of blockchain and different tokens rotating around it have additionally been in warm conversations. Before we dive into the Tezos cost expectation, let us view a portion of the remarkable elements of Tezos. Nonetheless, not very many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Colossal exchange charges and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in deductively created stages. Numerous digital currencies neglected to change these issues. Digital forms of money like Tezos have bit by bit invaded the standard awareness and built up some decent momentum. It has gone the distance and will keep on doing as such, gave it a mass reception, despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain. Neither the shipper nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity obvious to different clients on the organization. The whole system of Tezos depends on zero exposure proof, consequently permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange strategy, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Tezos, the past journey. Likewise with some other computerized money, Tezos is the subject of totally various perspectives. Certain individuals like Tezos, while others don't lean toward it much. XTZ is viewed as quite possibly of the most discussed computerized cash. Certain individuals think the undertaking misses the mark on approach plan and the dubious PR tricks of its pioneer. In any case, there are a ton of other people who really put stock in XTZ cost forecast. At present, XTZ's cost is exchanging around 89 cents, with a practically 4% climb throughout recent hours. The market capitalization of Tezos is $820,870,341 with $923,205,361 XTZ coursing right now. Since its commencement, the token has been contending hard and unequivocally against its adversary digital forms of money. Going by the specialized cost examination, Tezos has shown gigantic potential reliably perform and recuperate the lost worth. XTZ today stamps impressive energy, prompting a seriously bullish example helped areas of strength for buy. XTZ, the local symbolic that is exchanged on different trades by a large number of clients around the world, is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of venture commendable monetary standards. In any case, this crypto resource is to get forward momentum with financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its innate potential. It very well may be plainly characterized that Tezos, recorded as XTZ on different trades, has situated itself among a significant number of the top monetary forms. However, to remain at that level, it needs to take advantage of its most extreme potential. As per the most recent long-haul Tezos cost figure, the coin cost will hit $1.41 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $2.04 toward the finish of 2024. By 2023, the normal cost of Tezos will be at $1.29, greatest cost $1.38, least cost 49 cents. Tezos cost gauge toward the finish of 2023 may be around 53 cents. The determined Tezos cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1.41. In 2024, we hope to see $1.47. In the main portion of 2025, the Tezos cost will move to $1.70. In the last part, the cost would add $1.80 and close the year at $1.85. In view of our figures, Tezos is a terrible long-haul speculation. In 2024, the cost might have tumbled to 20 cents. Tezos value expectation, 2023 to 2030. Contending and supporting in the extreme business sectors, XTZ is a computerized cryptographic money that has raised its own height, being known as a computerized or virtual resource with no coordinated factors or state borders limitation. One digital currency won't do homage focal government pressures or be tied in deficient and administrative money-related shackles. The pandemic has brought to front a mechanical unrest has shown a signal to financial backers as XTZ, and thinks about what? All with simply a web association and a cell phone. Tezos has made it feasible for everybody to store and move esteem in a money that is impervious to control. Tezos saw the potential chance to remove power from the establishments and offer a superior support, and individuals answered. XTZ works generally. Interestingly, there is plausible of a worldwide money. With a genuinely worldwide cash, opportunities for worldwide monetary development and social equity are perpetual. Tezos value expectation 2023. The driving forces cut the usefulness behind Tezos digital money. Subsequently, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is set to quit slacking with different coins to show up at a $2 cost. Financial backers, in any case, need to keep an eye out for any unexpected variables. No one could anticipate the pandemic. Tezos Value Forecast 2024. Keeping in context that there are no boomerang impacts in the digital currency markets, Tezos is good to go to certify serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Tezos coin cost, taking it across all hindrances and scaling $2.95. Tezos Value Expectation 2025. A stunning good faith is likewise anticipated for the XTZ cost, basically because of its reliable presentation throughout the long term. Subsequently, this year will be a uber gold mine for the cryptographic money market, as the valued computerized resource will outperform all assumptions and flood in front of its significant obstruction level. Seeing an ascent more than ever, the Tezos cost makes certain to reach $3.50 from where it stands today. Tezos Value Expectation 2026. Presumably, a simple-to-utilize Tezos is great. It is more useful and promising when it is not difficult to spend. Tezos laid out a quick, solid organization and worked with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the XTZ with valuing increment a lot higher to $4.75. In the event that the drive for useful crypto go on into 2026, the Tezos value changes might try and see huge development in the following couple of years. Numerous crypto market tutors dread that it might see some high points and low points. Nonetheless, these worries may not hold for a really long time, as at long last, the Tezos coin will settle to bring courageous returns for its financial backers. Everything relies upon the group movement, expected innovative forward leaps, or significant level association. As concurred previously, Tezos needs to do an enormous redesign in building organizations and coordinated efforts that increment perceivability and imbue more assets into the undertaking, making it pertinent for all clients and financial backers the same. It would then increment in cost complex. Tezos Value Forecast 2027. In the event that all market factors turn for Tezos, this digital currency cost will perform abundantly, scaling the top as previously mentioned, violating all impediments throughout the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few languid patterns, it would definitely give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Upheld by powerful shrewd agreements, the Tezos cost may effectively contact $5.15 before the year's over. Tezos Value Expectation 2028. In light of the Tezos cost expectations, the base, normal, and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $5.25, $5.55, and $5.85, separately. Tezos Value Forecast 2029. In 2029, the Tezos are supposed to exchange between $6 to $7, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost, and the last option is the greatest conceivable cost. Simultaneously, the typical cost might be around $6.50 for the year 2029. Tezos Value Expectation 2030. In 2030, the XTZ might exchange